Hello dear students, welcome back to the EVS class. Dear students, today in this video class we are going to study about the lesson being healthy. Yes, in the previous video class we have started with this lesson. Okay, this is your second lesson. Okay, in the previous video class we studied about some of the indoor games and some of the outdoor game also. Okay, let us revise those things now here. Yes, dear students, to be healthy, what you have to do? You have to eat, okay, regular kind of a food, and you have to eat even the fruits, and you have to do the exercise. Okay, these are all the things you have to do. Why? To be healthy here. As I have told about the games also in your previous video class. Okay, there are total we are having two types of games are there. First one is a outdoor game and second one is a indoor game. Okay, as I have told the definition also. What is indoor games and what are outdoor games? Okay, we play some games in the open, in a park or in a playground. These are called what? These are called outdoor games. Yes, some of the example also I have given. Yes, cricket. Okay, the tennis. Okay, this is a tennis game and this is a hockey game. Baseball, football. Okay, you are observing here. Yes. Even here you can see cricket also is there, okay, which is there in your textbook cricket. This is a cricket, cycling. Okay, these are some of the outdoor games. What we will do? We will play these games in open, nothing but in a playground, in a open. It may be in a park also. Okay, whichever games you are playing in a park or in a playground, those games we are calling it as a outdoor games. Example you can give, you can name some of the outdoor games. Yes, cricket, football, hockey, the baseball, the next one tennis. Okay, these are the some of the outdoor games. Remember the name of the outdoor games. Okay, and next we studied about the indoor games also. Yes, you can tell what are indoor games. Yes, dear students, I have told in the previous video class the definition. Indoor games are nothing but these games we are playing inside a room. Okay, we play some games inside a room. These games are called indoor games. Example you can give here. Yes, you can give carom. Yes, chess I told. Again I have told about these are the some of the indoor games I have told. Ludo, snakes and ladders, carom, chess. These are some of the indoor games. Okay, these are all the things we studied in your previous video class. Today in this video class we will learn about the keeping fit. Okay, how you have to keep your body fit, that we are going to study in this video class. Okay, in your page number 165 the concept they have given. Okay, see here what they have given. Let us see here. We must exercise to keep us fit. What we have to do, dear students? We have to do exercise. Some of the exercise will be there. We have to do regular exercise if you want to keep your body fit. If you want to keep your body fit, then what you have to do? You have to do the exercise regularly. Then by doing the exercise, what happens? Exercise makes us feel fresh. Yes, what it makes? It makes us to feel fresh here. Okay, we will not get tired. So we have to do daily exercise. It also keeps us active and healthy. By doing the exercise, our body will be active and our body will be healthy. So what happens? If you are following the exercise regularly, then your body will be what? Active and healthy. We should exercise in the open. Where we have to do the exercise? In an open area, nothing but in any one of the room, like in an open area. Okay, we should exercise in the open. We can also exercise in a room with the open windows and doors here. Yes, where we can do the exercise even in a room also. But that room should have a open windows and doors here, so that you will get a fresh air here. Why that room should have a windows and a doors here? Because you will get a fresh air here. So dear students, what you have to do? We can also exercise in a room with open windows and doors. The next here they have given, playing games is a good form of exercise. Yes, games also is one kind of exercise. So we have to play games here. So exercise is a so in exercise even the playing games also will come here. So playing games is a good form of exercise. Walking and jogging are also example of exercise. Playing games, it may be walking, jogging, these all will come under exercise. Okay. Many people do yoga to stay healthy. Yes, you all know that many of the people are following a yoga. Okay, daily in the morning the people will do the yoga. Why they are doing a yoga? To be healthy. Okay, to stay healthy here. Yes, then which are the some of the example of exercise? Can you name some of the exercise? Playing game is also one kind of exercise. It is. Even walking is also one kind of exercise, and jogging also. These are the some of the exercise which we have to do in our daily routine here. By doing exercise, what happens to our body? Yes, our body will be fit and fine, and you will, by doing the exercise, okay, you feel fresh. By doing the exercise, what you will do? You will feel fresh here, and also you will be active and you will be healthy. Okay, if you follow the exercise regularly, you will be very active and you will be healthy here. This is all about the keeping fit. They have given in your textbook, page number 165. I hope you have understood the concept here. The next concept here is posture. Yes, dear students, P-O-S-T-U-R-E, posture it is. How you have to read this one? P-O-S-T-U-R-E, posture it is. Then what do you mean by posture? Yes, anybody know? Yes, here is the definition of a posture. The position of our body when we sit or stand is called a posture. Okay, whatever your position, when you will stand, what is the position of your body? And when you are sitting, okay, when you are sitting on a bench, on a chair, then what is the position of your body should be? That all we will call it as a posture we will call. See, you can observe here one girl is standing. She is standing in a straight manner. Okay, that we are calling, she is standing. She is in which posture? She is in a standing posture. Okay, a good posture keeps our body in a proper shape. Okay, you should follow what here? You have to follow good posture. Okay, if you follow the good posture, then your body will be in a proper shape here. A good posture also makes us look smart. What they are telling here? If you are following a good posture, then you will look smart here. We must keep our back and shoulders straight. What we have to do? We must keep our back. Yes, this is the backs. Whatever we are having at the back, that back and shoulders. Okay, these are the shoulders. What you have to do? We must keep our back and shoulders straight. When we sit, okay, whenever you are sitting, your back and your shoulders should be straight here. We must stand and walk straight here. Whenever you are walking also, how you have to walk? You have to walk in a straight, and then your body posture will be in a proper shape here. Let us see here some of the correct postures, how you have to sit. See, dear student, posture. Okay, when you are sitting on a chair, your back side, here it is a back side. It should be straight, and even your shoulder should be straight here. This is the correct sitting posture. If you are sitting like this, it is a wrong posture. So, this is the correct sitting posture. Okay, whenever you are standing, you have to stand straight. Your back should be straight here. Whenever you are walking, your back should be straight. Okay, then only your body shape will be proper here. This is about the posture. Then what is the posture, dear students? The position of our body when we sit or stand is called a posture. What is posture? The position of our body. The position of our body when we sit or stand, whatever the position, whenever you are sitting, what is the position of your body? It should be straight. Your back should be straight. Your shoulder should be straight. Whenever you are standing, your back should be straight and even your shoulder should be straight. That we are calling a posture. Then if you are okay, a good posture, what it makes? It keeps your body in a proper shape here. Okay, this is about the posture we learnt now. Yes, dear students, today what all we learnt? We learnt about how to keep our body fit and what posture we have to maintain. That all we learnt today in this class. In the next class, again we will continue with this lesson. Now, it's a time for the homework. Okay, let us see here. Dear students, here I have given name some outdoor games. Okay, which all the names you know, which games you are playing outside the home. That games name you have to mention here. You have to collect some name of the outdoor games, and then next homework here is a name some indoor games. The games which you are playing inside a room, that names in a indoor games you have to write here. Okay, collect some outdoor games and collect some indoor games. This is the homework for you. In the next video class again we'll continue with this lesson. Till that, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.